For a fast and energy-efficient cooking experience, you need an induction cooktop. Here's 4 reasons why we love this popular cooktop. Number 1, the speed. Induction cooktops have the fastest cooking times due to their magnetic field-based heating, meaning less cooking time. 2, safety. It's impossible to leave an induction cooktop on. If there's no pan, then it doesn't respond. And with added safety features such as child lock safety, overheating protection, and safety switch off, they're perfect for families. 3, the design. With a slick design and sleek flat surface, induction cooktops seamlessly fit into any kitchen. Plus, they're easy to clean. 4, the efficiency. With an induction cooktop, only the cookware heats, making them the most energy-efficient cooktop you can buy. That's good for the environment and good for your bills too. Find out more about induction cooktops in-store or online.